David, is this your dog? Hey, good doggy. Is this your sailboat?
Yes.
Nice. How long you have it?
Oh, since 2010.
Okay. Yeah, you want to say a little bit about your boat for me?
This is a 30-foot Capri.
I am about to sail on this sailboat. It's David's sailboat. Sam, his dog, is coming with us. This is my first experience with a sailboat. And I'm gonna sail it myself and, helping him with this. He told me he's gonna give me direction to do it with this. Let's see how it goes. This is Saturday.
Not that much of a purist where I have to row my boat out.
He's pulling the sailboat that way, and I'm helping.
Yeah, you ought to have Sammy with a little honk collar on her harness on it.
Oh, you mean swimming now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are slowly leaving the pier.
Who is that, man?
Those were the parking spot
Who is it?
in front of the big boat. Some people are here, they live on the boat.
Okay, Esther,
Uh-huh.
now push it away from you a little. Okay, now straighten it out.
It's beautiful weather. This is somewhere in California, kind of near Long Beach. You doing okay?
Yeah.
This is a documentary of your day on
Okay.
boat.
Now, this boat will sail without the sails. Now pull it towards you a little. Pull it towards you a little. Good. This is my mainsail. See that ship there? With the tugboat pushing on it?
Which one?
Focus on that ship out there. See the tugboat's pushing it in. Pull it to you.
Mm-hmm.
Now push away. Push it.
All the way?
Gonna go that way.
Okay.
Now those boats back there, those are fishing boats.
Oh, okay.
That's a commercial boat harbor. It's called Fish
Do you
Harbor.
want, yeah, the one with the blue, right?
Yeah, all those there. Now, that big tall building over there, that's the fire station. One of many fireboat stations. Now see how the wind is coming from up here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We can't go directly into it, but we can go fairly high before our sails start luffing. And so we might have a good enough direction of the wind to go right out through the gate here, this entrance.
Sam looks happy and relaxing.
Huh?
He looks relaxing.
Yeah.
And happy.
Now see the big buildings there? That's the federal prison.
Yeah, I saw it earlier. Someone told me that.
It's Terminal Island Prison.
We have more wind, right?
This building, it's coming up.
So how often do you come down here for a sail?
Oh, maybe once a month. Sometimes more.
Does Sam help you?
Huh?
Does Sam help you?
Oh, he gives me fellowship. Zone back in here, all the big cranes and the ship. See the back of that big container ship right there?
Uh-huh.
Well, that's an off-limit zone, so we can't go back in there. So we'll come about. In other words, I'll tack the boat. So I'll pull the tiller to me, and I'll turn the boat.
Okay.
See how easy and fast it turns?
Mm-hmm.
This is an old race boat, this boat here. So it turns real, it's very responsive, and it'll do what you ask it to do. So I'm coming off this line, so I'm not violating that safe space, because that's a restricted area.
Rules everywhere.
Well, it's still considered wartime, and so there's a lot of rules that have to be followed. The wind shifted all the way around. Now I think it's coming out of here. That are too big. They're not propellers. They're a different kind of a carriage. And that boat can go sideways, forward, back, any way they want. And there's a big tug coming around the corner out there. And the tower on that ship can't. That's called, that point out there is called Reservation Point. They go out and they lower the carriage and they pick up a container and then they take it off.
Okay. Those cranes move the containers.
There's some wind there. One time during the Korean War, when the Reds were attacking
Oi, who's that?
That ship called 7,000 people on board that ship. You get them to free, Koreans. You get them to freedom. Out of get them to safety.
Here comes Davy. Say something.
The wind's blowing up a little bit. It's getting a little nicer out here.
Mm-hmm.
We were becalmed so much earlier. But it looks like kind of a low tide. It's a low tide. One time you know how, okay, see these waves coming?
Yeah.
One time when we came in around that corner to come back in from the sea, one of my stays to the mast broke. And so I had to very delicately sail it home. That's why I didn't get all out of shape when it was blowing out there, my sail just now. Calmness is a oh,